Nice one, guys. So basically I have 1, 2, 3 pieces of fish left, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can do a oven fry fish without using a lot of oil frying it or all these things. All right, so it's gonna be a healthy way. The video on my YouTube channel, how I marinate the fish, so I will put the link in the description box. Secondly, I have some plain flour. So we're gonna make up a coating for the fish. Put roughly about a cup of flour inside of a bowl. Like this. 1 cup is enough. Alright. I'm using plain flour. Black pepper. This is some garlic and tomato, giant herbs. If you don't have this one, don't worry yourself. Get some chili. Roughly a teaspoon of all-purpose or fish seasoning, whatever you like to use. Doesn't matter. All right. I have some. This is some fried chicken coating, hot and spicy. So what we're gonna do is put roughly about a teaspoon inside of it. All right. If you don't have this coating, don't worry yourself. You can use the flour as what I'm doing. So what you want to do is to use a fork and just mixing up the coating like this. All right, as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right there. All right, guys. Now, once you do this, I'm going to be using some light fried chili oil. All right, this is a hot and spicy one. What you want to do is to get your fish, which you already marinated, and coat it into the flour like this. All right, once you coat it like this into the flour, what you want to do is use the chili oil and spray it. May gonna make your hand a little bit dirty, but honestly it's gonna be worth it at the end of the day. All right, now once you coat your fish, spray some chili oil on it like this. Put it into the tray with grease-proof paper and put them apart. All right, let's put a little bit more. So I'm gonna get the same thing with this fish also. Nice one, and I'm gonna be coating it. I'm gonna spray some chili oil on it like this. I'm gonna dip it one more time. Very nicely. All right, put it just like this into the tray. It's only 3 pieces, but it's gonna work it the way I'm doing it. You can do chicken the same way like this too, guys. Honestly. I'm just spraying a little bit of oil on it like this, and then dip it back in. Put it into the tray. If anything wants some more flour, more of the coating, and put it just like this. Now, just give me a second when I explain it to you. Now, as you can see, I got 1, 2, 3 pieces of fish, and I'm going to bake it now for roughly about 20 to 30 minutes. All right. The secret with the fish, for you to get the flavor what you're looking for, honestly, all you're going to do is put a piece of foil over it like this. Right, and we're going to bake this for roughly about 25 to 30 minutes. See, if you're using electric, please put it on 175. Fahrenheit 355 or 360. Gas mark 6 or 7. 25 to 30 minutes in your oven. Alright? Stay tuned. You're gonna love this one. Something new for you. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I have a medium-sized pot right here, and I'm gonna be cutting up a lot of vegetable to put with the fish. You know, in Jamaica we always say we're gonna make a fish sauce or a pepper sauce, but I'm gonna give you some tweaks on this one. But I'm gonna be using some light oil, light spray oil, hot and spicy chili oil. All right, so what we're going to do, the first thing is, the pan is a little bit hot, but I'm gonna simple spray it out like this. So you just want to get your pot hot. That's the first thing, and I'm using light oil. All right, and that's the spray oil. Secondly, I have some carrot which I'm going to be taking it through it. So I'm going to put on the first thing. I'm gonna be julienne some carrot. I'm putting the side of it now. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. As you can see for yourself, I'm doing the julienne of the carrot. So I just finished the carrot. Now is the chocha. Alright, I'm going to be using half of a chocha. Nice. So the chocha is right here. That's the chocha. And I'm going to simply jewel it up like this. I got some garlic. Just gonna crush it. Put the garlic in it like this. 3 cloves of garlic. Alright. Just want to just crush it like this. Give it a spin. Put on a little bit more heat on it now. I've got some green pepper. Red pepper. This is some yellow pepper. And I'm going to put some leaf in it also. Sorry about I don't have any white or red onion. Very hard to get at the moment. But I'm using spring onion also. We're gonna put some pimento seed, 2, 4, 6, 7 pimento seed. And also we're gonna put some Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using my scissors and cut it. Alright. Nice one. Just gonna give it a spin. that looking so lovely. Some black pepper. Little bit of garlic and salt, not much. I'm gonna put some sea salt inside of it. What you want to do, turn on the stove a little bit, put some vinegar. I'm using mild vinegar, you can use white vinegar. Not only that, guys, honestly, I love to give you the full package of what I want, you know. I don't want to add anything to say, oh wow, why I need to show my fans to do this at home. So now what we're gonna do, roughly about a teaspoon of sugar, brown sugar, because of the vinegar. Alright, now you don't want to go no further with this. This is finished. Alright, so we're gonna fry some plantain to go with our fish. Alright, so this is finished. So that look nice. Look at that. That is just lovely and nice. Let's fry some plantain. Nice one, guys. So yeah, this is a plantain which I'm frying. I didn't show you the whole video. All you have to do is get some ripe plantain at your supermarket or your local shop. Get a little bit of oil into the pot. Cut them into slices like this and fry them for about 5 minutes until they get that beautiful brown color what you're looking for. Look at that. Well, then put them on a piece of grease food paper. This is a few pieces which I fried earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces right here. And just finishing up the rest right here. Yeah, it's looking good. So once you have that beautiful color, then you're good to go. Now we're going to take a look at the fish because this plantain is going to finish now. So we're going to take a look at the fish. Nice one. So look at this, as you can see there's a little bit more flour right here. Alright, so this one is looking really good. So what you want to do, oops, sorry guys, oops, what you want to do is get back your light spray oil. And then we're going to put it back in the oven for a nice good 10 more minutes and then we're going to share it up. Alright, enjoy the recipe. Nice one. I just take the fish from the oven, put it on a plate. All I'm going to do is just put a little bit of vegetable on it. See that? That looking good. What I'm going to do is share it up. Alright, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Now, time to plate up this chicken and fish and rice. Nice one. So, just plating up it. We got some rice. Proper gungo. Proper Jamaican gungo and rice. Yeah, from Chef Ricardo. This is only will be from Chef Ricardo. You know that already, guys. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is get that beautiful fish right here. Look at this fish, nicely cooked, just amazing. A lot of vegetable. This is a beautiful fish sauce on it. Just pour out this on it. Lovely. Look at that, guys. Ah. Put some plantain at the side. Yeah. That is amazing. I want you to enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. I love every one of you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Alright? Yeah. Bye-bye.